Hi guys, I'm Laurent from Thunder Laser. What if manufacturing industrial grade metal part like this one didn't require a multi-million-dollar facility, a three-phase power or a massive industrial space? Stop outsourcing and start printing. Introducing the Thunder SLM-175, 1.08 square meters, standard 220 volt power, industrial metal 3D printing, now within your reach, guys. But compact doesn't mean compromise. Powered by a 500 watt dual source fiber laser, it delivers an astonishing plus or minus 0.05 millimeter of precision, transforming the most complex geometries into reality. This is where we separate from the pack. No complex coding. The embedded software features intelligent path planning to boost efficiency by 15%. One-click printing and automatic power loss recovery ensures your build never fails. Stress-free operation. It's built for speed. With a max scanning speed of 800 millimeters per second and intelligent Bi-Directional powder recoating, you cut your non-printing time in half compared to legacy machines. And let's talk about the hidden cost of the metal printing. With a reusable permanent filter system and up to 85% powder recovery thanks to this small tank, we have significantly minimized the material waste and ongoing operational costs. The system runs on argon or nitrogen shielding gas, keeping your built environment inert and your result consistent print after print. When the build is complete, the results speak for themselves. Clean, efficient powder removal reveals part with exceptional density, surface finish, and mechanical strength. From aerospace turbine blades to customized medical implant and high-precision parts and molds, whether you're using stainless steel, cobalt chromium, or super alloys, the SLM-175 delivers. From early stage exploration to full-scale production, Thunder Laser is your partner in growth. Industrial-grade metal printing backed by a 2-year warranty is finally within reach. Visit thunderlaser.com and download the full technical spec and see what the SLM-175 can build for you. I'm Laurent, and this is definitely the future of the metal manufacturing.